వెల్కమ్ టు జెస్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్. ఈ ఛానల్ ద్వారా ఏకలవ్య మోడల్ రెసిడెన్స్ స్కూల్ సంబంధించినటువంటి పీజీటీ, టీజీటీ, హాస్టల్ వార్డెన్, లైబ్రేరియన్, అకౌంటెంట్ వీటికి సంబంధించినటువంటి నాలెడ్జ్ ఆఫ్ ఐసీటీకి సంబంధించి 15 మార్క్స్ అయితే ఉండడం జరిగింది. దాంట్లో ఫస్ట్ చాప్టర్ కంప్లీట్ చేసాము. ఇప్పుడు సెకండ్ చాప్టర్ అయినటువంటి బేసిక్స్ ఆఫ్ ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్ సంబంధించిన క్వశ్చన్స్ అయితే చూద్దాం. మన ఛానల్ని అయితే సపోర్ట్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. 101 question. A collection of programs that controls how your computer system runs and processes information is called. Option A, operating system. Option B, computer. Option C, interpreter. Option D, compiler. Answer option D, compiler. 102 question. An operating system is option A, accounting software. Option B, application software. Option C, system software. Option D, utility software. Answer option C, system software. 103 question. Every computer has dash, many also have dash. Option A, operating system, a client system. Option B, operating system, instruction sets. Option C, application programs, operating system. Option D, operating system, application programs. Answer option D, operating system, application programs. 104 question. RTOS stands for option A, real time operating system. Option B, reliable time operating system. Option C, reboot time operating system. Option D, none of the above. Answer option A, real time operating system. 105 question. System running more than one processes concurrently called. Option A, multiprocessing. Option B, multiprogramming. Option C, real time. Option D, batch processing. Answer option B, multiprogramming. 106 question. Which of the following refers to the means by which an OS or any other program interacts with the user? Option A, program front end. Option B, programming interface. Option C, user login. Option D, user interface. Answer option D, user interface. 107 question. Which processes refers to the starting up of a computer and the loading of the required parts of the operating system into the RAM? Option A, sweeping. Option B, booting. Option C, mapping. Option D, tagging. Answer option B, booting. 108 question. What do you understand by the term booting? Option A, the process of starting the computer from the power off position. Option B, connecting computer of the electric switch. Option C, increasing the memory of the computer. Option D, the process of shut down the computer. Answer option A, the process of starting the computer. 109 question. The first version of Unix was developed by. Option A, Ken Thompson. Option B, Presper Eckert. Option C, J.W. Mackley. Option D, Herman Hollerith. Answer option A, Ken Thompson. 110 question. Unix operating system is generally known as. Option A, multi-user operating system. Option B, general application. Option C, single user operating system. Option D, single user application program. Answer option A, multi-user operating system. 111th question. Which is the programming tool in Unix? Option A, lint. Option B, kernel. Option C, C shell. Option D, none of these. Answer option B, kernel. 112th question. Which of the following is an operating system? Option A, Linux. Option B, Mozilla. Option C, Google Chrome. Option D, Intel 8085. Answer option A, Linux. 113th question. Linux is a type of dash software. Option A shareware, option B commercial, option C proprietary, option D open source. Answer option D open source. 114th question. Which of the following is not an operating system? Option A Linux, option B Unix, option C Intel, option D Windows. Answer option C Intel. 115th question. Which of the following operating system was first developed by Microsoft? Option A Windows ME, option B Windows NT, option C Windows 97, option D MS DOS. ఆన్సర్ ఆప్షన్ డి ఎంఎస్ దాస్. ఇలా ఈ విధంగా మీకు ప్రతిరోజు అయితే ఒక వీడియో అయితే అప్లోడ్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. కాబట్టి మన ఛానల్ని అయితే లైక్ చేసి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసి షేర్ చేయండి.